Okay, nanay substitute sa magbantay kay siya o sa mga gamit. Mag-swimming ako siya. Stay with grandma and grandpa. Oh.
Dahil picture na nila yun.
Ay, nanagig ko yung opportunity nga maglangoy-langoy din before sunset. Mulangoy kong laom, guys. Mulangoy kong laom. Oh, tsada kayo. Masyadang view din nino. Ayun sa Takalaw makaadto, guys. Ito na ni Kalawom dan ni. Okay. Okay. Okay, ha, siguro 5 feet pa. Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Lab. Kaya pa? Kaya pa. Uy, Kalawom na. Wala na sunset. Yes. Yes. Dilawom lagi. Dilawom lagi kalit, guys. Balik ta, balik, balik. Balik Lawom. Libo kayo mga tao. Carefree kayo mga tao. Stress free, carefree. Ay, Tapatsada Paradise. Ano naman? Ayo. Lawom na dia.
Little Mermaid ka.
Lawom. Dini mo tag-film ang Little Mermaid actually. Balo, dini i-film ang Little Mermaid. Kana muna siyang rock dia o kana. Dia siya nag-emote. Okay, tsada kayo sunset. Okay. Bago sunset mura siyang open water. Lalalala. Turquoise. Dive sa tabi. Kung ana nga view, mura lagi kog anino. Ha? Mura lagi kog shadow, no? Dirita sa masadang lighting. Siya, wala na nag-swimming. Gusto siya sa sand.
Just playing in the sand.
Kami ramay mga swimmeros din eh. Hindi lang, yung wala doon ng sunset. Are you cold na? No. Ha? Sure na din. Ay, let's go. Okay, wala na yung floater. Vlog.
Saan sa direction?
Yeah, ganyan, anak. Okay, let's go underwater para
Underwater.
for the vlog. Bilis.
1, 2, 3, go!
Uy, nag-ride mong tuk-tuk siya.
Is this their first time?
First time riding
The tuk-tuk.
Oh, look. Look at the view from back here. Mommy, is it close?
20 minutes?
How far, ma? 20 minutes?
20 minutes
Ow.
ride for tuk-tuk ride.
Yes. Aray, tuk-tuk na. Pakog na ko. Oh.
I move you.
Wait. Baka masagasag.
It's not like a tricycle. A tricycle is loud.
Let's get it. Is this a e-bike?
E-bike.
E-bike.
E-trike.
E-trike. Social na sila din guys.
I know that's...
Hello, motorcycle. Hello. But it's fun. Where's baby? Look at this view.
Okay. What do you think about the tuk-tuk ride, Sia?
Dude.
Good, yeah? You like it, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think about the tuk-tuk ride?
Good. It's good.
Pretty good.
I like it.
Yeah, pretty intense.
This Jollibee.
So sa inyo nadunggan guys, mga tumi sa Diniwid Beach. Kay murag pa no dito, dili kay crowded and yeah, masyadong beach, walay algae. And ambot lang ko sa situation sa sand. But muchada daw. So atong explore sa beach dito ta mag sunset karong gabi mga kaigsuonan. So muna ni ang Diniwid Beach. Dere. Secluded.
Swim there.
Dere.
You wanna change it to
Muna ni siya guys. Diniwid Beach. Oh. Ano yung tambay na dito today?
It's nice. Okay.
That feels nice. Oh, there's rocks now.
Yeah.
Look, it's here.
Yep. It's nicer here.
It's cold.
Okay. It's very clear.
I'm gonna dunk my head.
Okay.
I'm ready. Whew. It's clear. Okay. 3, 2.
1.
Not bad. It's so deep.
Of course, it's ocean water.
It's starting. Go.
Wait, stay there, stay there, stay there.
Ano yung spot? Some sort of cliff. Yeah, where is Grandma? Yeah. Do you want to go swimming or no?
I don't want to.
You don't want to go swimming? Okay, you want to play in the sand. Ang Diniwid Beach. Pareho raya po nito sa among spot kay. Biya. No. Pareho rito sa among spot. Crowded gyapon, dagang gyapon kay tao. I think everywhere there is a Boracay is crowded, but it's pretty nice. Wala siya algae actually. To be fair, wala siya algae. So masyado yung beach. But gamay ra mong time para mag-swimming kay pangit-ngit naman. Balik naman. Picture yung sunset, then balik tayo. Okay. Mag-enjoy na ako sa sunset guys ha. Okay na tong video natin. Mag-enjoy ako sa sunset. Yeah. Hatuan na to si Kathleen. Kaya huwag yung ka-resist. Nag-volleyball good siya. Tanaw na to. Tanaw na to yung mga moves. Nag-volleyball with the locals. Ayan si Kathleen, no? Wow. Wow. Ayun. Ay, grabe.